Then there is number 3, tracking progress. Tracking progress. This is number 3, tracking progress. Now, to keep the board informed without overwhelming them, progress is tracked using high-level metrics like aging reports. Aging reports. Here tracking tracks how long a finding has remained open. That's what we get through aging reports. Like findings older than say 180 days are usually escalated to the CEO. If a finding has not been fixed in 180 days, then you escalate it to the CEO. Then number 2, we have implementation rate. Implementation rate. Now, this is the percentage of the total recommendations closed versus those still open. That's how you also track progress, through the implementation rate. You check the percentage of the total recommendations that are closed or completed versus those that are still open. Then you can also generate what we call the risk burn down chart. Risk burn down chart. The risk burn down chart is just a visual representation showing the total risk value of the organization decreasing as recommendations are implemented. So that's how you track progress. Aging reports, implementation rate, then you can have a visual representation that shows the total risk value of the organization decreasing as recommendations are being implemented. Risk burn down. You are burning down the risk. You are reducing the risk. That's what it means. As you implement the recommendations, then the risk has to go down. You can have that as a visual chart. So that is how you track progress when implementing audit recommendations.